Hi, this is Carly. I'm making a film of my entry for the monthly competition for the British Polymer Clay Guild because, as you can see, it's a tea light, so there's stuff on every side. The theme for the competition is New Year, New Beginnings. I decided to go for the new beginnings side of things, so I've done adult animals with their babies in a sort of springish theme. So you have rabbits, squirrels, ducks and sheep with birds flying around, all made from polymer clay, being gloss varnished. That's a 50p there for size comparison guide. You can see the sheep and the lambs, and there's flowers around as well. Up on the top of the tea light there are clouds and a sun that I did mica powder on the spikes to make it pop a lot more. I've cut out tree shaped holes in the middle where you can see the tea light through. I don't tend to use real flame tea lights. I tend to use the electric LED ones. So I'll just show you what it looks like on the inside. That's it up on the inside. So there is a coil of clay to hold the tea light into place. Right, thank you very much.